Well, in the legal game of tennis, we're sort of at deuce at the moment. And as a consequence of that, the Duchess of Sussex has won 1 point today, and the Mail on Sunday has won 1 point today. It's almost a Mexican standoff. What I do think will happen from here is quite interesting, because I think the Duchess of Sussex has enough to be able to say to the world at large, I'm vindicated. The court has said that this was a misuse of private information, and my private letter to my father should never have been published. And so as a consequence, she doesn't need to fight the copyright case. So I think she's going to draw stumps and drop the case from here on in. I think it's more challenging for the Mail on Sunday. They thought that what they were doing was entirely lawful in publishing the letter. Essentially, they were giving a platform to Thomas Markle to reply, as he understands it, to a curated attack on his reputation. And they are entitled to publish that response to an attack. Now, the judge today, Mr. Justice Mark Warby, a very, very assured and accomplished judge, has said, no, that's not right. You didn't have the right to publish it. And so I think from the point of view of the newspaper, they have to have this more definitively defined. And so I think it would be very surprising if they didn't go to the Court of Appeal. This case comes in two parts. One is a privacy action and one is a breach of copyright. Effectively, she wrote the letter, she owns the copyright in it. And what the court has said is that she's right about the breach of privacy, and the copyright case has got to go to trial because there's sufficient uncertainty about the facts to be able to make a definitive ruling today. But I think the big takeaway for Meghan is that she's got this win, and if she can take that and actually stop the proceedings here, she will be able to say to the public, I was vindicated, what the Mail on Sunday did was wrong, and I'm going to stop the case now. Now, set against that, the Mail on Sunday almost have to take it to appeal because the state of privacy law is in a mess in this country and they need a definitive statement. So she may not be allowed to walk off the pitch. She may have to go through an appeal yet. So this is just round one. Ding, ding.